My name is Catherine Ahearne. I've been working with Maynooth University Library for the past 6 years, and for the last 12 months I've held the position of Assistant Librarian with responsibility for engagement and information services. In March 2023 we launched a Live Qual review which asks our users what they want from their library spaces. And what they've asked for is a haven, a safe space to work and study, individual workspaces, clearly defined, vibrant, bright, safe. These are words that kept coming up over and over. And the refurbishment has really given us what the students have asked for. You can see that in how it's being used. The desks are clearly defined for individual use. They have their power sockets, they have their USB cables. We have clearly defined zones of the group study rooms. It's fantastic to see how it's being used. It really, really is. It's got a new lease of life. And GP2, John Paul II Library, turned 40 in October just gone. So it's really, really nice to see it getting a new lease of life for its 40th birthday, while still remaining true to its ethos and its true meaning, which is the heart of the college.